cut. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had a little emotional purchase. Okay, so basically Uncle Kanye decided to, he's been dropping a lot of kicks, and I woke up this morning at 8 o'clock and I got them. So these are the Hospital Blue Yeezys. I ordered them this morning. They came in today. Well, it says don't use a zip blade. Alright, so we got our handy dandy letter opener. So we're just gonna open that bad boy. Wow, I didn't even turn on, I didn't even get the mic. So the volume on this is gonna suck. I'm sorry. Or actually, you didn't even need. Not my address. Damn. Why does it look like they've been sitting in the warehouse? A little scuffy. So I got the YEEZY Boost 700 Focus. Okay. So 700, YEEZY Boost 700, US 11, UK 10.5. Again, I said they're called the Hospital Blue 700 V2. The sneaker people will be so upset with me because I feel like I don't know what I'm talking about. So, these are it. These are these are orthopedic. What? It's like, make it comfortable, but make it fashion. Make it comfortable, but make it fashion. Yo, these are. Wait, I can't put. Yo, these are nice. These are crazy. Are you dumb? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Where's my phone? What? Buddy, are you seeing these right now? Yo, the detail. Alright, yo, I wish you could see them in a better light. What? Are you dumb? Are you crazy? Jeez. Kanye, good job, bro. Alright, so let me try them on. I'm not putting these on with my regular socks. I got a fresh pair of socks because I'm not about to scuff these up. Are you crazy? If you put on new shoes with old socks, you're sick in your head. You're a sicko. You gotta put on brand new socks with brand new shoes. It feels better. And you just spent money, so. I mean, I have these already, but I have them in the Geos, the brown ones, the dark brown ones. So I don't know why I'm expecting them to feel different. They're not. It's just a different colorway. Alright. So these are it. What? Kanye decided to drop all of these when he knows. This man's smart. How you gonna drop these shoes at the end of the month? You know rent's due. How How am I gonna pay? I'm not gonna pay rent. Obviously, I'm gonna buy these. The fuck? My landlord can wait. Kidding, guys. Hey, don't spend your last pair of money on shoes. Put on your credit card. Hi. How you doing? Just walking out of your life. Man, I don't even know how to act. I don't even know how to act, boy. What the f is... Damn, this video is getting really bad. Okay. Yeah. You already know what it is. I'm wearing this tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how they feel. Well, no, they're just like the comfort levels. Just like orthopedics. Like, the shoes are damn fire. Okay. That's it. There's nothing to say. The shoes are comfortable. They've always been comfortable. This is a new colorway. You got the designs right here. That's what they look like. Kanye, sponsor me. Kim, adopt me. Chris, hit my line. Keep an eye out for my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe.